Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see GTA 4 save game file location for all users. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to open up File Explorer, go to C drive, users, username. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. Double click on your username, select the view and select show and check mark this hidden items box. And then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it. Double click on the roaming folder. Double click on this Goldberg Social Club EMU saves. Double click on GTA 4 and double click on random numbers. And here is the save game file location. For other users, you just need to check my video description for this path, guys. Just navigate to the path and there you can find your save game file. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.